Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to cancel an order on Temu, step by step, as of 2025. Step 1. Open the Temu app and log into your account. Make sure you're using the account where the order was placed. Step 2. Tap on the U tab at the bottom right. This takes you to your account dashboard. Step 3. Go to My Orders. Here you'll see a list of all your recent orders. Step 4. Tap on the order you want to cancel. Open the detailed order view. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Order button. If the item hasn't shipped yet, you'll see the Cancel option. Tap it. Step 6. Confirm your cancellation. Follow the on-screen prompt and confirm. Step 7. Wait for confirmation. You'll get a message from Temu confirming the cancellation. Step 8. Refund info. If you paid already, your refund will be processed back to your original payment method. This can take a few days depending on your bank. Note: if the Cancel Order button is missing, the item is likely already shipped. In that case, wait for delivery and request a return. And that's it. You've just learned how to cancel an order on Temu. If this helped, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel. Drop a comment below if you need help with anything else on Temu. See you in the next one.